Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for McNemar's test. To test whether there are differences between two categorical variables, the McNemar's test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the paired samples t-test, but for categorical variables. You will need two dichotomous categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, the era of preferred movie is categorical with two nominal values. Fortunately, subjects were tested for preference of movie era before and after viewing movie trailers in our experiment. Pre- and post-treatment of this preference of movie era would be appropriate for our demonstration. To run the McNemar's test in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the p-value significance figure. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.